Okay, guys, as I said, literally, it's still the same day I did the 2x2 one, if you watch that one. So, yeah. If you watch that one, you probably want to watch this one. So, yeah. Today, I'll be solving a 3x3. Okay? Yeah, bang. It's right here. Oh, and these are speed cubes. Oh, my next speed cubes. They're both next. If you want to get one of these, I think, yeah. If you want to get these, they're at Walmart in Michigan, Saginaw. That's where I live. So yeah, if you do really want these, head to Michigan, Saginaw and go to Walmart. It's in the toy aisle, like way in the back. And if you find it, you're lucky. So, let's get to the video. Let me just mix this thing up. It's so bad. Okay. Okay, it's mixed up. It's mixed up. As you can see, not all the pieces. Correct spot. Let's go. Bang, bang, bang. Ah, the turns are so bad. Thought these were good for turning. And just like that, probably like 20, 30 seconds or so. Even though I said I'm not that good because, yeah, I'm trash. I am not good at all. So, yeah. But, hope you enjoyed the video. Psych, it's not over. Oh, and just as the last video, the 2x2, I forgot to say, please hit the notification bell, subscribe, and like this video, please. You know why? I only have 21 subscribers. Really. Like, unspeakable. He has over 1 million. Mr. Beast. He has over 10 diamond play buttons. And you know what I have? Not even over 30 subscribers. Literally. I'm such a failure. So please, hit the subscribe button. I don't care if you don't leave a comment. I don't care if you don't leave a like. I don't care if you don't leave a if you don't press the notification bell. Just please, I pray to God, just subscribe, please. I only have 21. And I'm working so hard on my video. The easiest video to film was definitely the car video. Yeah, I changed my YouTube channel a lot, sorry. It was first soccer ball, and then after that sports HD, and now geography kids. So please, 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 subscribe. Please, 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 please subscribe. Please. All you have to do is hit that red triangle, and that'll help me out. Please. Well, that's our video. Goodbye. My legs are dead. My voice is dead. Goodbye.